Puro dito. So yung isa, dito sa forehand, puro dito yung, ano niya, balik. Tapos yung isa naman, sa backhand. Yan, balik. Split step. Split step. Split step. Top, good. Split step. Split step. Split step. Yan. Gamitin nyo yung wrist nyo, ha? Gamitin nyo yung wrist nyo. Pag tap lang yan, more on shoulder yan. Risk. Risk. Dito. Risk. Risk. Pitek. Okay? Split step. Split step. Yan. Split step. Split step. Okay. Split step. Sa totoong laro, hindi mo expected. O kailangan. Mabilis yung split step mo. Basta kailangan lang natin masanay. After shot, split step. Laging dapat naka-bend yung knees natin. Hindi dapat naka-straight. Naka-low nga tayo, naka-straight naman to. Wala rin. Position. Good. Yan. Ready. Good. Oh. Nice one. Abot. Isa lang. Isang split step lang. Mabilis. Oh, mabagal yung split step mo. Bilisan mo. Yan. Ayan. Oh, go. Go. Yan. Oh, mabilis. Yan. Wide mo. Wide. Wide. Good. Wide. Mabilis lang. Dalawa yung ginagawa mo split step. Kaya medyo nahuli ka. Isa lang. Split step. Split step. Split step. Tapos wide. Ganito ko. Wide mo. Good. Yan. Yan. Good. Oh. Good. Abot. Stretch ang kamay, ha. Yan. Oh, go. Nice one. Sige. Go. Good. Sige. Go. Yeah. Para ma-develop. Ready? Good. Go. Nice one. Yan. Yan. Good. Nice. Yan. Yan. Yung kamay, ha, yung non-racket. Kailangan nakataas rin yan. 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 Good job.